like only certain people can see it. But yeah, and we just got a new car, so we're going to show you our sides, and it's 3 rows. So we're gonna show you it.
I'm going first.
Here's her side.
So, there was like a window right there, and I don't know if Aubrey mentioned, but there is 3 rows. We're in the back row. So, yeah, here's some cup holders. I got 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. And now it's time for Aubrey's.
So this is my side. So this is our feed area, like the back, my back thing. My cup holders, 1, 2, 3. A little like space or whatever, maybe for my arm. And here's the truck.
And then I'm gonna show you the second row. She's gonna show you the front row. So that's the second row, which Y is in. And I don't know if you can see, Colton is also in there, and he's sleeping. So going to Ops.
This is where my mom and her dad and his dad, whatever you saw him, is sitting. That's the like front row.
Passenger seat? Oh wait, not sitting. Passenger seat.
Yeah.
So anyways, when we get back to the shop, which we're test driving the car right now, when we get back to the shop where we got this car, they're gonna, they said they're gonna set up a party, so